What do you think? I think it's going to serve my purpose of keeping the view focused on what I'm working on and not distracted by background things. It's also going to reflect some light back for me, and I can light these as well if needed. I need to put some illumination on my my little jib here, the drone nut, and make sure that I illuminate the subject that I'm working on. A lot of my old material, if I'm doing a clutch, it's dark in there. So I need to be more conscious of that this time around and illuminate everything so that you can see what I'm talking about and what I'm doing. So the next couple of days, I'm going to put a machine on the lift. I'm going to shoot some test videos. I might even run some by you all and get your opinions, what lighting is better and such, if you got time. If not, don't worry. Everybody's busy. So that's what I'm up to for the next couple of days. I'm almost ready to get this rolling. Thank you to all of you who have offered your advice, your expertise, your time, and your contributions. Thank you. This has helped move this along nicely. I'm going to make this happen. I hope you all like it. Stay tuned for more from me soon. Have a good weekend. Thank you. Goodbye. I should have turned the camera around. That's one of the things I want to make is a mount to spin this, so I can quickly go from the bike to the bench, and you can follow along. This is what I was trying to do for you. See what I mean? Go back to the old way, all handheld. Steve Irwin style. So we're almost there. Things are going to happen soon. I'm going to put a machine on the lift and have some test videos over the next couple of days and see what I can make happen. Thank you all. Really appreciate your support of this project. More from me soon. Bye now.